A registered agent, for those who might be a little hazy on the details, is essentially your business's official point of contact with the state. They receive important legal documents, official correspondence, and service of process, like lawsuits or subpoenas, on behalf of your company. Think of them as your business's designated mailbox for critical governmental and legal notices. Every LLC, corporation, or other registered business entity is required to have one in each state where it's registered to do business. This ensures that the state always has a reliable way to communicate with your company, even if your business moves or you're not readily available. Now, LegalZoom offers registered agent services, and for many, it's a convenient option when first setting up their business. They handle the compliance, the reminders, and the physical address requirement. However, circumstances change. Perhaps you've found a more cost-effective registered agent service, or maybe you've decided to act as your own registered agent, if your state allows it and you meet the requirements. Or perhaps your business has expanded into new states, and you need a registered agent service with a national presence. Whatever your reason, changing your registered agent from LegalZoom or any provider is a perfectly legitimate and often necessary step in your business journey. The good news is, while it might seem daunting, changing your registered agent from LegalZoom is a manageable process. It primarily involves a few key steps: choosing your new registered agent, notifying the state, and then informing LegalZoom of the change. Let's break down each of these steps in detail. The first and arguably most crucial step is to select your new registered agent. Before you even think about canceling anything with LegalZoom, you need a new registered agent lined up. Why? Because most states require you to have a registered agent on file at all times. There cannot be a gap in coverage. Your new registered agent must have a physical street address, not a P.O. box, in the state where your business is registered and be available during normal business hours to accept documents. Who can be your new registered agent? You have a few options. You could opt for a professional registered agent service. These services specialize in registered agent duties and often provide additional benefits like compliance calendars, online portals for document access, and mail forwarding. They typically charge an annual fee, which can range from $100 to $300, or even more, depending on the provider and the services included. Many business owners find this to be the most convenient and reliable option, especially if they operate in multiple states. Examples of other registered agent services include Northwest Registered Agent, Zen Business, or Harbor Compliance, among many others. Do your research, compare their services, pricing, and customer reviews to find the best fit for your business needs. Another option, if your state allows it, is to act as your own registered agent. This can save you money on annual fees. However, it comes with responsibilities. You must have a physical street address in the state, be available during business hours Monday through Friday, and be prepared to receive legal and governmental documents directly. This means your personal or business address would become public record. For some, the privacy implications or the need to be constantly available makes this option less appealing. Consider carefully if this is the right choice for you. You could also appoint an employee or business partner if they meet the state's requirements. Once you've chosen your new registered agent and confirmed they are ready to take on the role, the next step is to notify the state. This is where the official change happens. The process and the specific forms required vary from state to state. Generally, you'll need to file a statement of change of registered agent or a similar amendment form with your state's Secretary of State office or the equivalent business filing agency. To find the correct form and procedure for your specific state, the best resources are usually your state's Secretary of State website or a quick online search for Change Registered Agent, your state. These websites often provide downloadable forms and detailed instructions. You'll typically need to provide your business name, your current registered agent's information, and the new registered agent's name and physical address. In some cases, your new registered agent may also need to sign a consent form. There's usually a filing fee associated with changing your registered agent with the state. This fee can vary significantly, from as low as $10 to $50 or more, depending on the state. Some states even allow online filing, while others require you to mail in the physical forms. If you've opted for a professional registered agent service, Many of them will actually handle this state filing for you, and some even cover the state filing fee as part of their service. This can be a significant convenience and is worth checking when comparing providers. After you've filed the necessary paperwork with the state and it has been processed and accepted, you'll usually receive a confirmation from the state. Then, and only then, is it time to inform LegalZoom of the change. Do not cancel your LegalZoom registered agent service before your new registered agent is officially on file with the state. If you do, your business could temporarily be out of compliance, potentially leading to fines or even administrative dissolution by the state. LegalZoom offers a few ways to cancel their registered agent services. The most straightforward method is often through your LegalZoom online account dashboard. Log in, navigate to your My Account or Subscriptions section, find your registered agent services subscription, and look for a cancel link or button. You'll likely be prompted to provide proof that you've changed your registered agent with the state. This could be a copy of the file document, a screenshot from the state's business registry showing the updated information, or a copy of an annual report listing your new agent. If you can't find the option online or prefer a more direct approach, you can also contact LegalZoom's customer care center. Their phone number is typically available on their Contact Us page. Be prepared to provide your order details, account information, and the proof of your registered agent change with the state. You might also be able to send an email to their customer support with your cancellation request and the relevant documentation, though this method may take longer to process. When you cancel, LegalZoom will likely confirm that your service will remain active until the end of your current subscription term. They typically bill annually, so you'll have paid for the service for a certain period. Make sure you understand the terms of your cancellation and any prorated refunds, though these are uncommon for registered agent services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.